welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, that one right there. Click on the little bell and let's be friends. Hi guys, happy Monday. Happy glorious Monday. How's it going, guys? I missed you. I missed you. I missed you. I missed you. I'm sorry about Friday. Oh my goodness, did I have glitch after glitch after glitch happen on Friday? I had no time whatsoever to get a video made. And I was like, oh my God, my YouTube peeps are gonna be upset because they're gonna miss me like I miss them. So I hope you didn't miss me too much, but I'm back, I'm here. It's Monday, we're back to normal. Everything's okay now, thank God. I mean, I did have a lot of glitches throughout the weekend, but that's okay. Let's not talk about those. They're in the past, they're gone. Did you guys have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? I hope you had a good weekend. Tell me down in the comments down below. I'd love to know. I love knowing how your weekend was, what you guys did, what you were up to. Mine was completely uneventful. I'm telling you right now. I cleaned, I cooked, and I worked. That was it. And I shampooed the carpets. Oh yes. Oh yes, ma'am. I bought myself this Hoover carpet cleaner, and I went to town. I cleaned all my area rugs, like I deep cleaned them. I cleaned the hallway carpet upstairs because I found it was really dirty. I know I'm a little bit of a clean freak, don't ask. That's just me. Okay, so this morning, got my coffee, sitting drinking my coffee, came in the dining room, and I started playing with some decor. And I was thinking I was gonna do a more French country kind of vibe in my hutch. And I mean, it's okay. I'm not loving it. I'm not loving it. I really wanted to use these. I really wanted to use these. They're sugar and creamer set that my friend Sylvia from Texas sent me. Hey, Sylvia. Oh, and I want to give a shout out to Lucy. Hey, Lucy. I love the picture that you sent me of the decor boxes. Lucy's such a wonderful lady. She sends me the best e-cards all the time. Thank you, Lucy. I just wanted to give you a shout out and tell you that I love you. I love all you guys. You know that, right? Unanimously. I mean, I don't play favoritisms, right? I love everybody the same. Anyways, so I really wanted to use these. And then, I don't know. They're just not. I miss the beach. Okay? All right? That's what it boils down to. I want to go to the ocean. I miss the ocean. I'm staring at this coastal looking painting that's overlooking an ocean, and I'm like, oh, Bella, just make the hutch coastal. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going down to the basement. I'm going to gather up some stuff and take all this out. I mean, it's not decorated. I just place things here and there. Trust me, it's not decorated. I'm going to take all this out and let's make this coastal, or as coastal as possible as we can. Because I don't even know how much coastal decor I've left. Probably not that much. So let's see what I come up with. Okay, guys. I cleaned it all out. I went down to the basement and I brought up a whole bunch of stuff. And I have it all in front of me. Now, I have no direction on where I'm going. None. The only thing that I know, sorry about that, Mia's here and she's running back and forth to the windows. The only thing I know that I want to use are these. I have two of them. There's one there and this one. And basically all I did, because you'll see why. I mean, I have some idea, but not really. I'm being truthful. I want to use purple because I have a set of, and they're here somewhere, coastal plates that have a little bit of purple in. And you'll see, and I have something else with a little bit of purple. But I love this color so much. These are from Hobby Lobby. I got them, I'm pretty sure these were 75% off. I don't know how much they are. I know I've already shown them in the shopping haul. They're extremely heavy and they are extremely gorgeous. And they remind me of like French farmhouse coastal. That's what we're gonna call it. Look, I like them. I'm using them. I'm put one up there so far. You could see it. And the other one I'm gonna put on the other side over there. So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to plug and play, as we say, and I'm gonna voice over this because I have no idea where I'm going and in what direction. So this will be a true decorate with me. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start decorating. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but I'm gonna use this wreath as a focal point. That's my jumping off point. And this little lantern. Now, guys, I'm being honest. I wasn't really sure in what direction I was going in. And you're gonna see as the video progresses, I'm not quite sure what I want to do. I mean, I know what I want to use. Some things. I like these melamine plates. I've had them for years. I like the purple and the blue and the purple used to be like a big thing back in the day, and I love purple. So I've kept them. I've had them for years and years and years. I also have these matching glasses that I bought with these plates, and I never used them. Truthfully, I think I used them once or twice. So down here, what I've done on the bottom, I don't know if I showed it, and I really don't like those little things. And I keep moving them around everywhere. I really don't know what I'm doing with them. I'm telling you, this is decorating. This is how I kind of think of the things I want to decorate. That poor vase, I must have moved it like 7 times. And I'm looking in the viewfinder trying to think, do I like it there? No, I don't like it there. No, I like it there. Anyways, this is what I'm saying about decor. Decor is meant to be fun. And use your creativity. You know, look at it, switch things around, go back. You know, just use what you have. Okay, let me show you this. I got this greenery last year, and I totally think it looks like seaweed. I got it from my local dollar store, and I wish I'd gotten more because the way that the branches look on this greenery really mimics seaweed. So I just got this little tiny bag of seashells, and I'm putting the seashells within the greenery to make it look like, you know, the greenery, the seaweed floated up to the beach. And I'm also filling up the glasses with some seashells. And I'm showing the greenery again. Don't worry, when I take you off the tripod, I will show you in full detail the hutch. And I think it turned out really cute, actually. I'm obviously voiceovering after the fact. Okay, guys, in this spot here, when you see the greenery, I'm adding seashells that me and Angela have collected over our travels. And I even have some sand dollars from Florida and some other seashells that we've collected on our travels in Mexico and stuff. Now, this is so cute. This is one of those signs from the Dollar Tree. I just ripped it apart. I wanted to use all 3 of them. They're like those pointing arrows. I think they're so cute. Now, I wish I had gotten signs, but hey, this is what I had down in the basement, and I'm just going to use what I have. Easy peasy. Guys, it's done. It's finally done. I really wanted to use this. I don't know why. Maybe the colors reminded me of the beach. And I knew I needed a pop of purple because if you look here on the plates have a little bit of purple in them. And I just added seashells in the glasses. And doesn't this greenery totally look like seaweed? Honestly, it really does. So I think it ties in really well. And then down here at this bottom shelf, I like this bamboo kind of lantern. I mean, I could do more, but I'm not sure if I have any more left, any more stuff left. Let me show you the middle. I think the middle looks really, really good. And hopefully the lighting is good. I turned off the light inside the hutch so you could get a better look. Now, that wreath is from Pier 1, and it's got purple in it and gold and little berries and, you know, just little seed stuff. And I love these. I've used these so many different places, but I brought them in, and that, you saw me take that apart. It's a little Dollar Tree sign. God only knows I found it in the basement. I'm loving the green, and this lantern also is from Pier 1 from a while ago, a couple years ago. I like this. This turned out really cute. I like this. I'm just gonna add some candles in it for in the nighttime in that little jar. That platter is my parents'. Oh my God, it's so, so old. And then down here, I just layered it. I layered the white platter in the back. I added another plate, a little more greenery, like that seaweed looking greenery with some seashells, and then this old French country looking thing. But the color in this ties in perfectly to the color of my vases. And then the Hobby Lobby vases that I really wanted to use. And then here's the other side. It just mimics the other side completely. And it's all cohesive. Truthfully, the only vignette that I think needs working on is over here. So if I'm at the stores, I'm going to keep looking for some coastal decor and see what else I can come up with. Maybe I can do something different in these corners down here. But all in all, I really like it. And I really think I need some new coastal plates. Okay, guys, what do you think? Super cute, right? I like it. I'm not sure about the bottom one, but all in all, I think it looks really good. I love this. I love that. I love that green, that like sea foamy green. I love that color. I don't know why. I want to get some more stuff in that color. I just love that color. I am going to go shopping. Oh, yes, ma'am, I am. I have not been shopping. Speaking of shopping, do you know I went to the TJ Maxx and Home Goods here in Canada? Now, TJ Maxx here is called Winners, and Home Goods is called HomeSense. It's the exact same company, okay? For my Canadian girls, so you know what I'm talking about all the time, my American girls, you know what Home Goods and TJ Maxx is. But here, that's what they're called. It's just the exact same company. There was nothing. It was the saddest shopping experience of my life. I was devastated. Yeah, I was devastated, I'm telling you. I mean, for a shopping girl, I really need to shop. So, I am going to go stateside this week. Thank God. And hopefully, I'm going to hit that Hobby Lobby and find lots of stuff. So that's one of my things this week. So if you see a Hobby Lobby haul, if you see a notification popping up with a Hobby Lobby haul, get yourself a coffee because I'm sure it's going to be a long one. And that's it. And I have a bunch of videos for you guys this week. The new products are going to be launched this week. Was going to do it today, but of course we had computer glitches and stuff glitches. And anyways, just glitches. Life in general. So have a fantastic week. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. You already know, and yours truly, hopefully has gotten through all the comments. Probably not. I don't know. I'll have to relook. Anyways, have a fantastic week ahead. I love you. I'm sorry for babbling. I love you, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Mwah. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a fantastic week.